hailing now. Crikey.
Oh.
Wow. Here in Evesham. And it's pouring down outside. Crikey. Up. It was a rainstorm.
This is how the police spoke about her disappearance to reporters at the time. And bear in mind, we didn't at the time know exactly what was going on with Fred West because his crimes were discovered later.
Girls of 15 frequently run away from home, even good homes. Why are you so concerned about Mary Best?
Well, of course this is true, they do, but this girl has been missing now since Saturday night. The circumstances are such that we think we all take it very seriously.
Mary's parents, Christian and Doreen Bastholm, gave this